Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to export live data to Excel. So I'm using Fire's trading terminal. It's very easy to export data to Excel. So first we just selected a group of stocks. So underline future and option stocks. So this is NSE cash stocks. First I'm going to export cash stocks. So around 200 stocks are there, 210 stocks are there. There you can see link to Excel. Just click link to Excel. Then there is a boxes pop up. So now I'm going to make an OpenSQL to low and OpenSQL to high scanner. So just untick unwanted items from the list. So I just untick the unwanted item from the columns. Okay. Then click OK. Next step is Excel. Just open Excel. Then right click run as administrator. Okay, once you click run as administrator, right click, paste it. So now the data is exported to our Excel. Okay, now I'm going to change this sheet name NSE cash stocks. Okay, now this sheet is NSE cash stocks. Okay, now the data is updating. So this is NSE cash stocks data. Okay, we got open, low, high. So next we are going to export future data. So just go to watch list, other groups, near future. So just click near future data. So this is all the future contract. So just click the link to Excel and just untick unwanted columns. Okay, just click unwanted columns. So this is a future data. Then click OK. Then open the Excel. Next tab, right click, paste it. So this is a future data. So just wait for the stock is updating. Okay, now future stocks data is updating. So now we got NSE cash stocks data and NSE future stocks data. So first I am going to make OpenSQL to low and OpenSQL to high in NSE cash stocks. So this is OpenSQL to low and OpenSQL to high. So condition is if bracket open column equal to low, then OpenSQL to low. Okay, just drag. Okay, so one or two stocks are show OpenSQL to low today, Kotak Bank and McDowell's, I think. Then next one is OpenSQL to high. So condition is if OpenSQL to high, then OpenSQL to high. Okay, just scroll down. So there are so many stocks today, OpenSQL to high. So now we got NSE cash stocks, OpenSQL to low and OpenSQL to high. Now we are going to make OpenSQL to low and OpenSQL to high in future NSE future stocks. So this first tab OpenSQL to low, second tab I am going to type OpenSQL to high. Okay, I don't want this what NFT and FTFT. I'll just delete it. Okay, so this is a future price. So just select if condition open equal to low. Okay, next open equal to high. If open equal to high. So now we got both open is equal to low and high, NSE cache and future data. So this is future and this is NSE cache. So I'm just going to make another scanner. Just copy the stock list. Third sheet, I'm just going to change OHL scanner. So first I'm going to paste the stocks. Then paste it. Okay, this is stocks. Then I'm going to take cache data. In cache, open is equal to low, open is equal to high. Next I am going to take future data. So this is a future, open is equal to low and open is equal to high. Okay, now we take data from both cache and future. So now I am going to give color for the cells, so it's easy for identify. So open is equal to high, I am going to give red color, condition formatting, high, red color. Okay, like that way. Low, green color. Okay, so cache yellow, future I'm going to give another color, so for easy identifying. The same thing I'm going to apply here, open is equal to high, red. Open is equal to low, green. Okay, now our scanner is ready. So this scanner show both future and cache stocks, open is equal to low and open is equal to high. So both stocks, both future and cache, it showing open is equal to high and open is equal to low. Okay, here you can see agenda firm. Only cache stocks only show open is equal to high, but it didn't show future stocks didn't show open is equal to high. So if both are matching, just select those stocks only. So Can Finish Home and Divis Lamp, only cache is showing open is equal to high. So at a time it's very easy to find what are the stocks both future and cache show open is equal to low and open is equal to high. So that's the benefit for Excel scanner. Torrent farm open security low in both cash and future. So if any stocks, both cash and future stocks open security low or open security high, pick that stocks only. In FIRES we can add any number of stocks. That's the main benefit for FIRES terminal. So others terminal there is some limitation to export data to Excel. Here within means we can export data to Excel. Okay, now we are going to add last trading price for both cash and future. So it's also helpful for the price difference between both cash and future. Okay, already add last trade price for cash. Now I am going to add LTP for future stocks. Okay, now we add LTP price for both cash and future stocks. So at a time we can analyze the difference between price difference between cash and future contracts. So difference, another column, I'm just going to check the difference. So it's helpful for what are the difference between cash and future price. See, these are the difference between cash and future price. So hope you like this scanner. So if you are my premium member and if you want this scanner, just send a mail to nicholasnilo2017@gmail.com or WhatsApp me. If you wish to open free trading account with FIRES, just click the link below in the description box. Account opening is very fast. You will get this advanced trading platform within a week. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading trick. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.